Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get back corrupted Minecraft world builds on Minecraft. So without further ado, let's get started. What you need to do here, you need to go load up Minecraft and then go to player, and then for purpose of this video, I just named corrupted world. Basically is the world that you cannot get in. And so the first thing what you need to do here, if you're having this error here with the world you cannot get in, you need to basically create a new world with the same survival game mode, with the same difficulty, and with the cheats on or off. And once you create a new world here with the same game modes as corrupted, the next thing that we need to do here, you need to just go on search and then just write run. And on this window here, you need to write %sign appdata %sign. Okay, and then you will get this new window, and the first option probably it will be .minecraft. And then you need to go to basically saves, and then you need to go to the world that is corrupted, so it will be this one. And then you need to just copy region to your desktop. And once you do that, then you need to go back to the new world saves here and delete region file here. If you cannot delete the region file, probably because the game is running. And after that, after you basically delete region of the new world, you just need to put the region of the corrupted world to the new world here and restart the game, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.